Hey there, beautiful souls. It's so good to have you back at Brain Heart Fusion, our little corner of the internet where we journey together towards a better life and well-being. Today, we're going to dive deep into a topic that's dear to me, the incredible benefits of starting meditation today. Whether you're a bustling professional, a diligent student, or simply a person striving to better their mental and emotional health, this video is specially crafted for you. So, are you ready to embark on this journey with me? Let's get started. First, let's talk about what meditation is. At its core, meditation is a practice of focusing your mind, gaining awareness, and achieving a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. It's been practiced for thousands of years, and while it's often associated with spiritual and religious practices, today, it's widely recognized as a tool for improving mental health and overall well-being. There are many types of meditation, including mindfulness, focused attention, loving kindness, and many others. But the great thing is, you don't need to be an expert to start. Meditation is accessible to everyone, regardless of your experience level. Now let's dive into the immediate benefits of meditation. When you start meditating, you'll notice some changes right away. Benefit number 1, reduced stress. Meditation is incredibly effective at reducing stress. It works by decreasing the production of stress hormones like cortisol and promoting a sense of calm. Benefit number 2, enhanced focus. Regular meditation improves your ability to concentrate and maintain attention, which is a game changer in our distraction-filled world. And benefit number 3, better sleep. Meditation can improve the quality of your sleep, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. This is crucial for overall health and well-being. Meditation isn't just about immediate benefits, it also has incredible long-term effects. Over time, regular meditation can profoundly transform your life. For one, it enhances emotional health. Regular meditation can lead to an improved self-image and a more positive outlook on life. It also contributes to improved brain function. Studies have shown that meditation can actually change certain areas of the brain related to memory, learning, and emotion regulation. And let's not forget about decreased blood pressure. Meditation can lead to a reduction in blood pressure, which lowers the risk of heart disease and stroke. So how can you start meditating today? It's simpler than you might think. Let's go over some easy steps to get you started. Step 1. Find a quiet space. It can be anywhere where you won't be disturbed. Step 2. Set a time limit. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a difference. And step 3. Focus on your breath. This is a simple but effective way to anchor your attention. Remember, the key is consistency, not perfection. It's okay if your mind wanders. Gently bring your focus back to your breath. Many beginners face challenges when they start meditating. Let's address some common ones. Challenge 1. I don't have time. You can start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the duration. Challenge 2. My mind keeps wandering. It's normal for thoughts to arise during meditation. Simply acknowledge them and gently bring your attention back to your breath. Challenge 3. I can't sit still. You can try different meditation positions or even incorporate movement-based meditation practices like walking or yoga. Remember, meditation is a journey, and it's all about finding what works best for you. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin this transformative practice together.